Before we start, can we just take a second to acknowledge how cute these are? Like, look. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Style with Carol. So today we are going to be doing a Halloween decoration on a budget. So we're doing the inside and the outside of the house with a few things that I picked up here and there that are very budget friendly, and I think that you all will really like. So come with me as we take this Halloween adventure. Just arrived to Target to do a little shop with me tour over all the new Halloween 2020 editions that Target has to offer. This Ferris wheel is the coolest thing I've seen this year. So cool. Wish it wasn't that expensive, otherwise I would have grabbed it. I think it was like $50, but it is amazing. Aw, you deserve a pat on your head. So cute. Love going through all these cool, nifty items. See, that's why I don't pick up unknown calls. It's a recipe for disaster. Do you guys do the same? Comment down below if you're like me. I got something similar to this in Dollar Tree, and it's pretty much the same quality, but this is a lot more expensive. It's $10 at Target, and it comes with a pack of 4, but it's still nothing compared to $1 for just one at Dollar Tree. I picked up the same table mats that you see here in Target from TJ Maxx, and I got a way better deal. So do shop around and see what works for you, because you can probably find a better bargain. Here we go, the section that I've been looking forward to, because I need a table runner, and I feel like this might be the best option for a table runner. Maybe this one? What do you guys think? Love this. This is from Michael's, and I think I'm going to put this on the outside of my house. These are some finds that I found from Dollar Tree, not the pumpkin. The pumpkin I had last year, but the RIP, beware sign, those are all from Dollar Tree. And by the way, that is an amazing price, because I saw the same thing in Target, very similar to this, and it was 3 for $10. And I'm so glad I picked that up from Dollar Tree. This as well, beware the wicked witch and her little monsters live here. Louie's actually going to be a monster for Halloween, so I'm excited to see the little pup be a monster. This I have no idea where to hang it, but I really liked it, and the price was amazing, so I figured, why not? My favorite word, FYI, if you've ever watched any of my YouTube videos. Eat, drink, and be scary. Love this skull. And these, all this is pretty much from Big Lots. Love, love, love. I'm going to move that from the back, but just the whole aesthetics of it. This is what inspired me for my colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be incorporating a lot of black and gold into my table decor set with, you know, sparkles here and there. So I'm super excited. This is also from Dollar Tree. Going to put it in my kitchen. And so are these. Look how cute these skulls. Like, I love that the fact they have these glitter on them, because I feel like that makes such a huge difference. So let's get started, boo. For the table runner, I'm using the 𝚬𝚘𝚕𝚕𝚊𝚛 boutique collection from Target. It's 36 feet in length and 28 inches width. It turned out to be perfect size for the table. It's always better to work with longer fabrics rather than shorter, because you can, you know, easily shorten it up, especially fabric like this. You can make it more short as you need. And it says on the back that you can basically tear, cut, and fray fabric to create your own creepy look. So that's also really cool. I'm clearly struggling with this light here. I got this from Big Lots along with the Skull Pumpkin and the Skull Spell Book. Wonderful Big Lot collection. They have great prices as well. And the Boo candle that you see here was from TJ Maxx. It smells divine and it looks so cool. The skull is from Dollar Tree. The angle here, by the way, is not the best because it looks uneven, but in reality it is even. I made sure that, you know, it's centered and aligned with the other chair and put into position. And now these are my favorite placemats that I got from TJ Maxx that I was telling you all about while shopping at Target. I found these way better in price, $5.99 for just one, whereas I got this whole pack for $9.99, and I didn't even use the whole thing. So for the scape, I used Dollar Tree chargers, same with the plates, and then same with the actual top part too. So I found this, and I know this is a little bit, kind of looks more like fall, but we're gonna put it here because, you know, it is a pumpkin and Halloween after all has a lot of orange. So I'm gonna, you know, try to see how that looks, and I'm kind of like how it looks there. I do have to center the ghost up a bit, but yeah, for the most part, I'm liking that. What do you guys think? For this side, same thing, implementing the pumpkin, keeping the cross because graveyards do have cross, so I'm gonna keep that. And now we just have to change the wreath, or wreath, whatever it's called. Now we are gonna change that wreath to a little closer to see how this looks. How cool is this? For the chandelier, I actually just ended up using some beads that I got from the Martha Stewart fake chandelier, but if I added it here, which I originally wanted to, it would be too low and bump into the decoration that I have on the table. So to make this go with, you know, the decorations that I have going on, these are very simple. You just clip it on and you are good to go. Look what a huge difference that makes. So for a more spookier tablescape, just add in some eyeballs and a little bit more creepy items. And I did try to fill it in with these pumpkins that you see here from Target. I've used these before from one of my fall decorations, but how cool is this table looking? And I love this. I found at Dollar Tree along with that, and I just made it a vase. I love how it's looking with everything. And let me know what you all think about the final look. I am pretty in awe. We are done with the indoor decorations and now we're going outside. So come follow me as we venture outside. And like I mentioned, I really tried to be budget friendly. And I went to Dollar Tree, got a couple of those ghosts that you see behind me. I'm gonna hang those on the trees. And there's like these little pumpkin things that I got from Michael's. So I did end up moving some so they're nice and symmetrical. But yeah, I kind of like how they look in the wind. But let me know what you guys think. Here are the pumpkins that I was talking about earlier. They light up at night. I'm gonna try to insert a picture so you guys can see here. Happy Halloween, you guys. That's my little Louie peeking out. Lou, what are you doing? Lou, come here. Louie, come here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thanks a lot.